Hey ho guys, I hope this works. I found my tripod for my phone. Problem is when I record with my phone, I can't see the screen. The good phone camera is facing me and the screen is to the back. So my husband sat here for a minute while I set it up. I do have a fashion. I'm going to do a separate video on that in a second. It came right after the Stitch Fix, really fast. I have a couple of things I wanted to share with you. And one, I had my colors done, color analysis. I had it done remotely, and I'm going to do a video telling you about that. But in the comment box, tell me, what do you think? Some of you are saying, what's color analysis? And other ones say, oh yeah, spring, summer, fall, winter. Tell me, some of you have mentioned what you think before, and I'm going to tell you what the results are and how it worked. The person that did it, I'm going to link to their YouTube channel, Carol Braley. Go over and check out their channel and give her some love. And I'll give you more details in the actual video on the color analysis. I also wanted to mention two YouTubers that I want you to go give some love to that just started out. One is Carolyn and her clothes. She just started doing unboxings. She's brand new to this, and I noticed some of you have gone over already. She only has a handful of subscribers. Go over there and like and subscribe and check out her videos. She got a really good trend send that I quite like, and I will link her below. And the other one is Padre Chow, Father Anthony. This is the priest that married my kids. He's locked down in COVID. He's a really, really good cook. His family is Sicilian, and he's got this Brooklyn accent, but everything's from Sicily and everything's Italian. And he started doing cooking videos since he is sort of just isolated in the rectory right now. He's just doing them on his phone. He's also just starting out, but he is a really good cook. So I'm going to put a link to one of his cooking videos below. If you could give it a like and maybe subscribe, that would be great for both those folks. Now, what this video is about, I received a FaceTime message from my granddaughter, Kateri, who lives out on the West Coast. She was very excited because she sent me a present. She was sending me an owl. Kateri is obsessed with owls. She has an entire parliament of stuffed owls. She has stuffed owls. When her mom goes on some business trip, she has to bring her back an owl. I think they're going to have to buy a new house for the amount of stuffed owls they have. It is everywhere. She has dresses with owls. She has pictures of owls. She has a little metal hook that's an owl on her wall. Owls never get old. She's been like this since before she could talk. She is 5 now. She told me she sent me an owl. And today, in the mail, I got this. So let's open it together. I love these brown envelopes. I'm going to try to open it without ripping it. I don't know if that'll work. Not too bad, because I reuse these to mail things out. Let me see. Oh. Hey, Paul, can you look on the other side of the camera and make sure that this owl is showing up? I'm calling in the assistant director. This is what I got. Just look on the other side. Can you see the owl?
Yes.
Okay. This is the owl that she has adopted for me. So this is now my owl. This is a short-eared owl. I'm sure she knew that. She's 5, but she knows every kind of owl there is, what their habits are, whether they're nocturnal or diurnal, everything about it. She's a little bit older. She can watch the Harry Potter movies, and she will probably point out the error of Hedwig flying at night because Hedwig was a diurnal owl. She would have flown in the day. That's another story. Okay. Let's see. And here's a little card from them. Monica. Wild owls. Ooh, a little card. Wild owls. Dear Monica, this is an owl I picked for you named Sally. She lives wild and peacefully and happily. Keep it a couple of days, not all the days. Love, Kateri. She definitely dictated that note. So Kateri, if you're watching this, I definitely will make sure that owl flies free. Look at the pictures of the wild owl, but I will keep the lovely picture of Sally forever. And there's some owl stickers. I think I know somebody who might like this. An Owl Research Institute sticker that looks like a patch. And here is my certificate of adoption for my short-eared owl. And oh, look at this, the roost. And now I have an owl magazine. So, you know, the next time I go visit Kateri, I'm going to have to bring this with me and show her. So thank you, Kateri, for sending me my own owl adopted. I love it. It might be the best present I ever got. And for everybody else watching this, stay tuned. I'll have a fashion video and a few other videos coming up soon. Be sure to check out the links below and give those YouTubers some love, the new YouTubers. All right, I'll see ya.